Alright, so what we're about to make is a puzzle light, and we're using these three colors, white, blue, and green. And we're going to make the ball shape out of them. And puzzle lights are great because you can mix and match colors on them, and there's a lot of different combinations. For example, if you're like a Seattle Seahawks fan, this would be the color combination. So anyways, I might go a little bit fast, so I recommend if you haven't made one of these before to go onto my other video, which is called the Simple Instructions, and that goes over it really slow. This is just to give you an idea with different colors how you mix them together without getting too many of one color put together. So basically, we're going to hook the first piece together. There's the straight edge and there's the slanted edge. Straight edge on the piece always goes with the straight edge, slanted with the slanted. And we're just going to alternate. We're going to go one color to the next, just down the row. But when we get to a certain point, you see the next one would be blue, but I don't want to put blue because I'll put blue together. So I'm going to do that. So we have the basic bottom piece, and that's sort of the star there. That's the bottom of the bowl. And you're going to have two of one color, and then one of one color, and that makes 5. So it's not going to be a perfect mix on this, just the way that this is made. Just the way the puzzle is formed. But then you go around, so you got a white and a green. And you stick a blue in there, because the straight edges make a 3-flower. That way you got one of each color there. So here we put the white. And again, here we got blue and white, so we put green, blue, it'll be white, green, blue, and again, blue. Then we go along. And this is supposed to be a 5-flower, and as you can see right now we only have 2 blues and a white. So one of those is going to be a green, up right there, and one of those is going to be a white. Pretty obvious you couldn't do, you know, a blue and a green, because then the blue would be too much. You couldn't do 2 greens. You just got to look at it and see. So again, we got white and we got blue. So we're going to stick a green in there. Then we come to here. Obviously, the only possible one would be a blue. And, you know, puzzle lights, these pieces are made from a lot of different companies a lot of times. They're not going to be perfectly the exact same size. So you can see here the blue is actually a little bit bigger than the other ones. And that's just because each company doesn't make all the colors. You kind of have to mix and match from different companies, or at least the suppliers do. So again, there we go, white, blue, and green. And here you can see we can either do a blue or a white here. I'm going to do a blue, and hopefully that works out in the end. We're going to do a white right here, and we're going to do a green right here. That's pretty obvious. Right here. Now here's where we usually run into problems, and that's you can never make it perfect, and no matter what we put here, it's going to either double up white, double up green, or double up blue. So what I'm going to do here is double up white. It's pretty arbitrary. It's just because of the nature of the ball. You can't make it so you never double up. Now we continue along. Blue here, we'll hit up white here, another white, blue. Now we got the 2 whites stuck together there, so I'm going to put a green, just arbitrary. And again here, we're going to put our last white. And blue. And the green. And then again, no matter what we put here, it's going to double up on some color, and all I have left is blue. And I put the last two like that, and I leave this flap open. And then I take my cord, put it in like that, lay it flat like that, bend this, and slide it under both of these. Do them one at a time. Put that there, push up, grab here, pull back, hook there, and then you just hook and pull like that. And there you have it.